Hello, how are you friends? Hope everyone fine, good. Today I wanna show you my chin thread. How to do that without cut. You do mistake the threading 100% do the cut, but not mistake is not cut. If you like this video, then please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and new one, please like this channel, subscribe this channels, and whatever my client and my viewers subscribe my channel, thank you so much, really appreciate it. Okay, now let's start. Because this is the long hair is almost 2 month growth, I didn't do that. You wanna do for the perfectly for the thread. Today I wanna show you how to do that. First of all, you apply the powder because your skin is moisturized, thread is not working. First apply the powder, dry your skin. You dry your the skin, then take the thread roll, just little bit thread I need, and I cut it and knot this thread the corner to corner, not very well, like this your thread. And now 1 round, 2 round, 3 round, 4 round, like do like a scissor. Your thread is stuck, it means your thread not working for the scissor, but like a scissor you do. Now see, you just want, you look this first thread, you first do this part, first direction, what is your the hair, this thread go for your the skin, you wanna like hair, then your skin is rash, pimples, and your skin is cut, but you wanna do the thread like touch to the skin properly, like hard, and do thread, touch the skin and do thread, touch the skin and do thread, and you watch your hair which direction. Same we do all the threading in the thread. Just make sure your thread is working like a scissor, and stretch the skin your the thread and do again. Like very easy threading, no peeling, nothing. Look, half of the way is neat and clean, no rash, no pimple, nothing. Touch to the skin, no peel the skin, but your the thread not touch to the skin, go like a up, even half inches up, and you do thread like, do thread like your skin is peel, look, peel, but skin's touch to the skin, no pain, nothing. Just only do the practice The practice is good. Scissor thread work for the scissor. Hope you like this one. Then people know how to do that. It's very easy and simple tricks, but they don't know. That's why they feel so much hurting, so much pain, so much redness. But loose skin, just always you do the tight skin. The skin is tight, no peel, no rashes, nothing. You're the good. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Thank you. See you. Bye bye for the next video. Bye.